Yo, yo, yo. Yo, 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 yo. Benny, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Look at gold, man. Look at gold. Gold took off. Gold done what I wanted it to do yesterday. Gold finally pushed. Yesterday was nasty work, man. Yesterday was nasty work. It took forever. I mean, it came back down. I was looking for this bottom wick, looking for it to create this bottom wick. It did create the bottom wick, but then it didn't push back up. It actually held right here. I was thinking, okay, break and retest, hold here, and then maybe push back up. It didn't. As you can see, it came down a bit more, and then we had that war news that took gold through the roof. Look at Trump acting like, do you know what I mean? He's gonna allow the Strait of Hormuz to be open, like they're in control of it. He's allowing Iran to get through. He's a funny man. But look at this. If Iran doesn't agree to a deal, the bombing starts. Now that's no way to de-escalate. That's no way. That's no way to stop the madness. Come on, man. Crazy work. Trump is a menace. Trump is the worst. He's actually the worst. But actually saw the push up. It's quite annoying actually, because I did see the headlines last night. But you know what Asian sessions like? It'll make a move, it'll pull back. Oh shoot. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. Hold on. I'll be in the chat though. Hey, hey, hey. So I'm back. Hey, Rich Raphael, how you doing? How are you? How are you? Alright, waiting for this gold pullback now. Little pullback, and then buys back up. That'd be great. Big move though, man. Big move to start the day. Now, I actually did anticipate some sells from 47.25. This 4-hour resistance. I put that in my daily analysis. That gets sent to the Discord in the mornings. I do think we drop just a little bit, not nothing crazy, but I would like to see a bit of a pullback after this push up. Trump's not helping, to be honest. Trump is not helping with his rhetoric. And what I mean by that is, look, saying stuff like this: if Iran doesn't agree to a deal, the bombing starts. Like, he doesn't need to say all that. DXY pushing up. I like to look at DXY because it does respect key levels as well. It does respect key levels. You know, so this support down here, this daily support, 97.58, we could hold here and push back up. Ooh. Nas is still super duper bullish. Super bullish. See how this hour closes. We close with a pullback, then at least we have a high here. Maybe we can get an idea of where Nas is trying to go. You wish you did what? Oh, Nas is coming back to my level right here. So I had a break of structure earlier on today. I had this demand zone drawn out. So that's why I had an alert for when we came back to the zone. How long? We've got 2 minutes left. So maybe 1 o'clock. If we close above, depending on where we close, I'm gonna take a buy straight away. If we close outside the range, I'll take a buy up. not bad. Or stop's going to be bigger than that, depending on where it closes. 2 minutes. But I mean, this area is only 20 pips, so nice, nice, nice. Decent stop loss as well. Let's get it. Let's catch a move. Let's see what we can do on NAS. Haven't taken a NAS trade in a minute. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If you had the push up. Push up. Bullish structure. Finally closed above this high. Drew the demand zone. Last bearish candle before that break. Now we're pulling back. Don't really have any other demand zones structure wise, so I like this one. If we can close above here in the last 45 seconds, maybe get some good buys up. Zone is only like 20 odd pips. Real nice, real nice. So let's get it. Our gold drops. I'm looking at some longs. Maybe not up to the highs, but at least a 1 to 2. But that's the stop right there. Alright, let me get ready to get in. Literally looking to get in as soon as the candle closes. Well, and flips bullish. And flips bullish. Oh. Alright, when this candle flips bullish, see what's crack-a-lacking. So we're not in yet, but not bad. Literally a 2 to 1. Nice retest, closed above it. Beautiful. Let's get it. I don't mind using buy stops, sell stops on NAS. Ooh, it didn't enter me in yet. NAS doesn't jump as much as gold. Actually didn't enter me in. Damn, that was close. 23.52. Oh, but it's slightly different. Very close, very close. Gold is coming back down. What's up? What's up? Ooh, I don't really want NAS to break this low. If it breaks the low, I'm gonna remove my trade. What's up though, Phantom? You good? Alright, yeah, it's broken the low. No goodie, no goodie, no goodie. Don't like it anymore. That's a shame. Thought I was gonna get a nice move. Thought I was gonna get a nice one. How's your morning been? Did you catch any of these buys? Five minute doesn't have a top wick on NAS 2. Oh yeah, that must be on your broker maybe. We've got a tiny little top wick here. let's see what Nas gold is shaking up for us. But these sells here, I love a good 4-hour level. Love a good 4-hour level. So basically gold is gonna sell from my point of view, guys, because DXY is targeting the London highs, so gold is gonna go to London lows. I think it's too early to look on Nas. I've caught some good trades on Nas quite early before market open. I do like to wait for after, to be fair. But yeah, if the opportunity is there, I'm gonna take it, you know. I love this pullback right here though. I do. What's happening, Carl? How we doing? Who's catching them sells? I know, right? Beautiful sells too. And you're missing all the action today. Crazy. So we broke the 30-minute lows. Let's get the bag, guys. You know what? Selling from this 4-hour level 2 is just beautiful. This was nice. This was nice. Hopefully Trump doesn't escalate. He's saying some things that aren't very good. Good to hear. He's doing a bit of warmongering a little. I want to see what gold does though when it comes to these levels here. So what do you think of gold? I'm bullish on gold. I've been bullish on gold since the beginning of this week. I was expecting gold buys. It's just where to get in. Like last night just took off, and this morning I didn't see this continuation pattern. I didn't see this, but I've been in meetings all morning, so just haven't really been able to look at London session like I wanted to, unfortunately. But like the description says, I think gold's heading back up. I think we're heading back up. I don't think it's going to be quick, but I do think we start pushing. So remember, when was it? Was it yesterday? What day is it? Monday. So Monday, after we had this double top, but we closed here, I said we could get a double bottom instead. And that looks like what might be playing out. It might even be over already. So we had the left, the right, and then this. In fact, let's measure it. There's 1,000 pips. So yeah, it ends up here. Yeah, literally. We have some press coming in about the war, right? We did last night. They said they're pausing the attacks. Well, pausing the whole, what do they call it? Where it is. I don't know how far I can go back. Let me see. I did send it in the Discord earlier. Project Freedom is paused for a short period of time to see whether or not the agreement can be finalized and signed. So Project Freedom is the whole name of the attack on Iran, or whatever they call it. They don't call it a war because you need Congress to vote for it, or the Senate, or something like that, which they didn't want to do. Bit of dirty politics. So that pause made oil drop. Look at oil. Oil had a beautiful drop today. Big drop on oil. We had a big drop on the dollar. Big drop on the dollar. And then of course we had a big push up on gold. I bagged something during the London session. I'm almost passing my phase 2 of my challenge. Oh, well done, man. Well done, well done. I hope you get there. Hope you get there, man. I do. What prop firm are you using? Cool. Alright, so reactions at these supports, that's what I'm looking out for at the moment. Alpha futures and funded next. For a low start, I recommend next level funded. Okay. Yeah, I'm off the prop firms. Come on, tap into the support. Let's see. Driving through, we breaking, we outie. This support, we kind of came to this support kind of quick. We came to this support very quick. So 18 minutes left. I don't know if it holds here. I don't know if it actually holds. I think we may drop some more. It's gonna come back to my demand zone, just where there was no bottom wick on that bullish candle. It looks like it, you know, Carl. It looks like it. Ooh, are you ready? Are you ready to get in? Are you ready? I love this as well. The fact that there's no bullish, no bottom wick, and typically when the candle comes to make a bottom wick, we don't close below. If this does If this support holds, that's great. It'll be great. If we drive through though, yeah. What type of entry do you like? I like a conservative entry more. So that means waiting for the candle to close outside of the zone, or at least push up out of the zone. I really don't like the aggressive entries. Emmanuel, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Let's see though. Let's keep an eye on it though. Let's keep an eye on it. I think it looks good. I think it looks good. And then when there's other things too, so other like confluences coming back to this support, yeah, I love that. I love when more things line up that meet my bias. Bang, already took some sales. I'm up 292 after we broke the 30-minute low. Lovely. What's your TP, or are you out already? What's your TP? Oof. The London low. That'd be like here, 46.58-ish. But yeah, this is it's broken out of your demand zone now, right, Carl? Broke the low. Now we gotta wait. I do want to see how this 30-minute closes though, because we have to. Let me pass the price 61.57. So I'm looking at Euro USD now. On the 4-hour, price couldn't break resistance, but broke out on a 1-hour time frame. Can it still be in an uptrend? No, I wouldn't be buying into. I wouldn't try to buy into a 4-hour resistance. I would wait for that resistance to break. Unless if you're far away, I would use that 4-hour resistance would be like a target. But if it's holding, then I wouldn't look at buys just yet. If you're very close to it. If you're already there, then I would wait. If I remember correctly, Euro USD, it's... Let's look. I got you. Yeah, I was talking to someone earlier about Euro USD. Yeah, it's because it had this change of structure down here where it broke out. In order to confirm that price is going up, and another thing, it's also holding. It also held at this last lower high too. But if this was going to continue, we need to see more structure points. So at the moment, we've made a higher low, but we haven't continued up. So it needs to push. It needs to clear this area. 179.90, let's call it 1.18. Or if it drops below, if it drops back in this range down here, then I think it's still bearish. If it breaks back into the range. DJ looks horrid. Spliff, Wagwando, Spliff, you good? You good? How's the market's been treating you today? How has the market been treating you guys this morning? I see Carl caught a banger today. Yes, he did. In fact, where is it? Carl took a real nice trade today, man. Real nice. Hope y'all noticed that the calendar today is clean. Yeah, I mean, that was... Oh, this was ADP. This was ADP. It's an ADP candle. You know, you just reminded me. It's not, they say it's not high impact, but I think that's cap. It's always been high impact. ADP right here, non-farm employment change. So bad numbers. Bad numbers supposed to be bullish for gold, so I don't know what's going on. Why gold is coming down. Maybe we retest Asian highs down here. 46.52, 46.53 before we continue up. Alright, what was I doing? Where's that trade? Let's go here. The banger. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Very nice. As the candle flips up. Entry. Nice entry. Nice little 1 to 3. Snatch them pips. What's that, 100 pips? Yeah, you're nice, nice. Nice start to the day. Very nice start to the day. Love that, love that. Hitting TP while on Mickey live trade. Hey, you out? You out your trade now? You close? That was a nice move. That was real nice. I think I want to start the stream slightly earlier, to be honest. I think I want to start at just after 12. I think I'm going to start just after 12. No, I'm still holding. Okay, okay. So like maybe 45 minutes to an hour earlier. Like I used to do back in the day. I don't know if I'll go on for 3 hours, but definitely like 2 hours, 2.5. What I liked to do was wait until the new 4-hour candle opened. So I pushed it back a bit because I was using like the 3 o'clock 4-hour candle, but I think, yeah, we can still swing something there. So look out, guys. Look out, look out. Keep your notifications on. Although I didn't schedule the stream today, I just started early. I think I'm going to do a little bit earlier. Kinda like the buys. Ooh. I mean, yeah, I'm pretty bullish on gold today. So any sells I see, I think are just a potential pullback to set up for better buys anyway in the long run. I'm here for it. Here for it. Don't say that, Mickey. I'm already in for sales, man. Hey, I mean, sorry. Sorry. Don't know what to tell you. Don't even know what to tell you. I mean, look, the daily's very bullish. Daily's very bullish. 4 hours bearish. And then look at the 4 hour too. I know this is the different Oanda one, but this 4 hour is pushed down. It hasn't broken this previous 4 hour low. If we stay above 46.57, if it stays above 46.57 and we start pushing back up, I think we go up some more. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, we've broken the high, we haven't broken the low. I maybe should have pushed the TP up more, but a 1 to 3 seems like the more sensible option. Turned out well for, yeah, man. Do you know what? There's definitely, what's up, Raf? Look at DXY. Guess what happened? DXY. Good, lovely, 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 lovely. I saw you come in earlier, but I think I was out. They restricted your account. No way. It was taking too much, making too much money. What prop firm were you using? What do you mean on the social? Yeah, DXY. I don't know about DXY pushing up and therefore gold pushing down. I think DXY is gonna come down some more. Oh, you got a spammer in the chat. Jesus, they work quick, don't they? These people must be so bored, like, and robots. And it's always the same message. Goodbye, sir. Restrict my account on the social. Discord. You got restricted on Discord. Damn, what did you do on there? How'd you get restricted on Discord? I didn't even know that was a thing. You're not a real human. Eddie said, are you a bot? Are you a bot? Is that why? Was that you just now? Was that you? Look at mod view. I can look at you in the mod view. Doing on there. You know what I need to do? I need to add verification onto the Discord. That's what I need to do. Let me make a note. Damn, look at this push back up. So I have these, I had both of these supports here because I was anticipating gold react to one of them. I just didn't know which one. I didn't know which one, so I had both. Just notice we don't really have a bottom wick on this candle right here. Ashley, what up, girl? We missed you yesterday. What happened? Oh wait, is it month end? Is it month end? How's the market treating you? Yo, I'm gonna be an Asian session streamer. Not streamer, trader. I'm done with London. I'm actually done with London. No. I wish I did. I wish I did. Do you know what? When I actually looked at it, now this was the breakout. For me, this would have been a breakout trade right here. And I would have got in. I would have got in here. Closure above here. And I know I would have been caught. I know I would have been pissed. If I'd taken this trade and I've got my TP, I was actually looking at sells from 47.25 as per my daily analysis. So I would have had my TP up here. Stop loss, now I would not have used a 200 pip stop, but maybe like here. But look, price would have pushed, I would have caught 50 pips and then bam, stop me out, stop loss to break even, and then continue going. That would have been my London session. That would have been my London session. That would have been it. What, that you're a bot? Yeah. Yes, I actually watched it push up. I actually watched it. I saw all of it go up. And I just watched and watched. It's big news, big news, big news. Where is it? Is that gonna... There we go. There we go. Project Freedom pause for a short period of time. For a short period of time to see whether or not an agreement can be finalized. That is very good news for gold. Very bad for USD. Very bad for oil. And that was literally right before 12 o'clock, right before midnight, and it just, gold was just pushing ever since. You was not expecting, oh, you said you was expecting a buy here last week. So we, on the call on Sunday, we were looking for buys from 4,500 because we wanted price to come down, make this bottom wick, and then pull back up, which it kind of did. It actually came down, made the bottom wick, pulled up, but then filled the wick, and the double top on the 4 hour played out very well, and then once that move happened, we're pushing back up. So I'm looking at it now. If you go onto my 4 hour, to me now it looks like a double bottom at the bottom of the downtrend. We've got the support, retested that support, and now we push back up. So this is 1,000 pip range here, guys. About 1,000 pip range. The 1,000 pips up from here is like 7. It's nearly played out already. I mean, if it wants to fall short, then yeah. But this move I was looking for from yesterday. Well, maybe not yesterday because obviously 4,500 was the lows. But yeah, we've been bullish on gold. We've been bullish on gold. It's manipulation, I know. Okay. Gotta be back soon. More blue to your eye, Raf. Gold, please just sell for me. Oh shoot, Phantom, you still in this? Sorry. Sell for Phantom. Sell for Phantom. Sell to Phantom's TP. And then go back up for me. That's what would be great. That's what the move would be. Please and thank you. We've been bearish. When were we bearish? We were bearish until 4,500. We were bearish until gold sold down before FOMC and didn't retest the last low at 4,300. I mean, even looking at gold now, yeah. Let's zoom. Let's do some zoomage. Higher low. I think this is a higher low, and I think this here is also a higher low. I'll be honest with you, I do. I think this is the lowest point we're gonna get to for a while. That's just me. War news could change that, but I don't know. I don't see gold coming down. No, they don't want this war to keep going. And once the war ends, we're going to go back to the old narrative, which is interest rates decreasing, gold will go up. So that's it. That's it. They don't want to be in this war. This war is costing the American government billions. They've gone through half of their rockets, a lot of their stockpile. It's not going well. They do not want to carry on, I promise you. So all of this talk about peace deals, Trump wants that. He can talk all of this smoke about, oh, we'll bomb them if they don't listen. You will not. Look, if Iran doesn't agree to the deal, the bombing starts. You are not about to destroy Iran. They are a huge civilization, a huge country. They thought this war was going to be over already, and it's not. It's capped. And every time there's a peace agreement, you agree to it. You ain't about that life. Get out of here. Emmanuel said, no, we're going bullish because his TP might be your stop loss. Since DXY moved up. I mean, you can't just rely on this alone. You can't rely on just this alone. Like, look at the daily candle. The 4 hour might be bullish right now. Drink some water. The 4 hour's bullish. Yeah. But the daily is very bearish. The daily is bearish. It's broken lows. This might just be a little pullback to come back down. Oh, Nas didn't do what it was supposed to do. Maybe this was the demand zone down here. But I didn't see that. I have to use the current ones that I see. I have to use the current ones. But yeah. Especially, you want sells? This 4 hour candle hasn't broken this low either. It has not. Yes, please, Rosie. Call them market makers, girl. I mean, I don't even know which way you should ask them for price to go. It seems like we got some people that want some buys, some people that want some sells. If you're looking for buys, can you tell me why you're looking for buys? And if you're looking for sells, can you tell me why you're looking for sells? Let me know. Let me. Oh, let me know. Let me know. So the reason I'm looking for buys is because price has broken a resistance level and it's back to retest it. If you look at it, price is retesting the previous high and showing rejections. Love that. Love that. That's good analysis, Emmanuel. Benny, daily's bullish and broke 4-hour resistance. Brilliant. Brilliant. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Ian. Same as Benny, but I'll add, I think, there's a pullback from 47.24. Yep. Also respected Asian highs. Did it actually come back to Asian highs? Did it come? Came pretty close. It came pretty close. Okay. Came very close. Looks good. Looks good. So for the buys, I do like the buys. Probably gonna have to wait for maybe the next 4-hour candle, see what that does. I mean, this current candle here, let's switch. Yeah, look, man, we're breaking highs, respecting lows, and that's on both 4-hour charts. Switcheroo. Do that. Let's zoom in a little, just a little. And we've had the news, so maybe that news was something that drove gold down a bit too. ADP. In fact, ADP probably pushed gold back up. So I mean, it's bad numbers. It should be bullish for gold. That should have been bullish for gold. Yeah, less than forecast. Supposed to be bullish for gold. But I do love a nice light news week. Waiting game with gold, you know how it goes. If this candle closes bullish though, I would like buys on the next candle. Not gonna lie to you, because I'm seeing this as, let's delete and draw it again. Depending on the size of the range, but for right now, this is my range on gold. This is my range, and it's a nice big range. Nice big range right here. Nice big range. 400 pip range. So if we close bullish and we don't move up too much of the range, I think we can get some buys back at least to the highs. 47.18. Something like that, something like that. See what gold's trying to do for us. Every time I lean back in this chair, it makes me want to yawn. So I'm trying to sit up. I can't feel my blood flow because I'm holding sells on gold. Hey, the sells could still play out. They could still play out. I mean, 4 hours still quite bearish right now. It's definitely closing bearish. I don't think this 4 hour flips in the next 10 minutes and pushes up. So I think the sells, yeah, they look good. They look good. You know, could get a wick fill. Could get a wick fill. Anything can happen. If you see the sells, then you know what I mean. Trade what you see. Trade what you believe. Trade what your analysis tells you. Always. Always. Do you close partials or you just hold full positions? Do you go break even? Like what's your trade management like? Me, gold likes to run back on me, so I get in, I get out. Done done. Done. In and out that thing. That sounds crazy, but yeah, in and out. I just hold till I'm in or out. That's my rule. As in hit stop loss or hit TP. Is that what you mean? There's no closing early. It's a good rule to have. Alright, 7 minutes. See how this candle closes. Your TP's at what, 46.57? Is that where London lows are? No, I only look at Asian highs or lows because Asian session is closed when I get up, but I never really look at London highs or lows. Because I still consider this London session. This is still London session. We're still in London session. London doesn't close until 4 p.m. So what, 2 hours? So I guess you could look at it like, you know, the lowest point after London opened for now. And look for a retest there. But yeah, I never look at London open or close, like for the highs or lows. Let's see what DXY is doing. DXY slowly pushing up. Slowly. The 30-minute candle looks super weak. Super weak. Super weak. Oh. last 5 minutes. Can we get a wick fill for Phantom? Come on, girls, give us a wick fill. Rosie, make the call. We need 46.57 for Phantom to hit TP. Please. Market maker in the chat. Real market maker in the chat. They're done. There you go. Rosie's put the call in for you. That's it. Done deal. Done deal. Randan. Wait for DXY to break its last high and bang, gold is gonna sell off. It's still moving up. It's looking good. Finally got some body in this 30-minute candle. Maybe market open. I was looking for a bullish close to get into a trade, but it still looks like gold is respecting my range. Four hour. What are looking like? 4 hour. Let's see. If we break this 4 hour low, I think we pull back some more. If it doesn't break this low, I think we're going back up. I think we're going back up. And turn back and it's already pushing. Don't do that. Yeah, fuck. Oh, what's that? 50, 60 pips already from the break of this higher. Damn. Either that or this is just a 1 hour top wick. Might do sales at 47.01. Okay. Room with the signal right there. Remember, a scalp signal only. So that means you gotta hold for 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. Mason, I trust his signals, just like Arsenal getting to CL finals. Oh shit, here we go. Here we go. Take it at your own risk, like watching Arsenal. 30 seconds. Oh, we good, man. We good. We good. It's a good game. Good game. Good game. This kind of looks like a continuation pattern on the 4 hour, so I think we get at least a wick fill. I think we get at least a wick fill. Actually does. This looks really nice, actually. It was kind of boring. It was kind of boring, but you know, a win's a win. As long as it ends the way we want it. You're in blues, at least for my demo practicing. Oh, nice to hear it, man. Nice to hear it. Ooh, that's a bit of a pullback right there. What's going on, gold? Maybe that was just a 4-hour top wick. Where did you get in, Emmanuel? So I wanted price to create a support. I wanted this, you know, we've retested this support. Then I wanted price to create a support and then take the buys up after that. So at least, you know, a bullish candle. But then I could take the buys up, you know, so the trade would be something like that. This is the trade that I wanted, just like this. So I like, yeah, I need more than just this doji. I need more than just this doji. For me, this doji isn't giving me like confidence that price is going up. I need to see a strong, well, not even strong, just a bullish candle. That would be my trade. Look, NAS is coming down. When NAS comes down, gold goes down. The XY is still pushing up. No phantoms happy. Might be heading down to your TP. This could just be a longer bottom wick for the 4-hour. If it breaks the low though, I think we come back down. Maybe we retest this broken resistance right here. So if we get a deeper drop, we break and then come back up. Or if it respects this 4-hour low, so it drives down, respects the low and then flips back up bullish, then I think we get a push up. So that's one of the two things I'm looking out for. Yes, I think it's going down to my TP. Nice. What's your TP? What's your TP? 46.59 717. Cool. The blood of Jesus just saved my life. Oh, you guys are funny, man. You guys are funny. No structure for buys right now. There really isn't. There really isn't. There really isn't. There's no signal for buys yet. Unless we get a strong bullish closure, like an engulfing or something like that. There's no... Nah. Even this Wick rejection. But this is partly news, I think. But yeah, there's nothing. No signals. No signals. Told you guys you should have taken the damn sells. You gotta let people take their own trades, man. You gotta let people take their own trades. Bum, 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 bum. Then he said I don't take signals. Yeah, I'm not one to take signals either. Definitely wait for what I want to see though. Definitely need to wait for what I want to see. It's a nice day out. What's the... Let me charge my phone for one. Let me do that. I didn't give a signal, it was a point of view. I guess so. This is not the smoothest price action right here. So why should we have taken it then? Hey, look, everyone's got their own free will. We've got their own free will. Ash, what up? What are you looking for, Ash? What you got over there? Tell me what them fibs are saying. What them fibs telling you? Them fibs over there telling you. You've been real quiet today. What's good? Evan, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening, Evan? On a nice bullish run. Gold is killing it now. Man, gold is just running. Gold does whatever it wants. Nothing much, waiting for a good sign. You and me both. You and me both. Sad I missed the buys. I saw it at 45.56 and thought about it. Came back 30 minutes later and it was gone. Yo, gold opened on smoke. Gold literally opened and was like, bye, and just took off. Didn't look back. Did not look back. Yeah, gold left the building, boy. Like, sells from 47.20. Have my strategy, have my entry and strategy all over it. Congrats to anyone who took sales from that area. Man, this morning when I did my daily analysis, price was, where was it? Price was like down here, about 46.65, and I thought if gold is gonna push, I think it comes up to this 4-hour level. So I put 47.25 as an area for sales. I feel like it happened very quick. Not quick, but you know, look, there was a lot of signs for the sales from here. No bottom wick on this 11:30 candle, and then respecting a high, dropping back down. We were coming back for this bottom wick, but yeah, man, gold just gone. Alright, 11 minutes left till market open. Just under 12 minutes left till market open. Let's see if this support here holds. Above 46.77, 47.76. Let's see what it do. Now we're gonna range right before market opens. Missing the move while watching the charts hurts the most because you were actually there. Girl, I watched the whole thing happen. I was on the phone to my brother. And that boy can talk. Ended up being on the phone for 2 hours. Every time I tried to get off the phone, couldn't get off the phone. And then the last thing he said was, how's gold? I looked at the markets, and gold was just pushing. I just said it's gone, like it's gone. It's been pushing for the last hour and a half. And I'm just here on the phone with your ass. I wouldn't have traded it anyway, but yeah, it does suck when that happens. But then I saw all the news headlines come out. I'm kind of glad because I'm not normally up that late, but I'm glad I saw it because I saw, like, if I'd come to the charts this morning and saw that move, I would have had to search for what happened. Whereas because I was up, I saw the headlines as they were coming in. I was like, okay, gold, okay. Ten-week war, which was supposed to be a quick war, in and out. Iran is discussing the end of war, not a nuclear issue. Oh my god, they are not giving up their nuclear stuff. XAUUSD is more an American wish list than reality. Oh shit, US will not gain anything in losing war that they have not gained in face-to-face talks. Oh no, the US plan contains ambitious and unrealistic proposals. Oh, that's not looking good. It's not looking good. Look how orange he looks. Who put this picture here? Who did this to this man? Who made Trump so orange? Nah, this picture's a violation. Why did they do that to him? That's hilarious. They made him so orange against the white wall as well. That's wild. That has to be AI. Why does it have to be AI? That looked like Trump. That looked like Trumpy. Checking out a bit of Nas. Where's Nas coming to? He coming to Nas. Let's see what Nas does. I wonder if, wait, that's Nas on the 30. Asian session can't get the whole move, man. No way, no way. Oh. Change it. Good up. What pound yen's doing? Oof. GJ keeps having these big drops, but I think we're getting increased volatility because we still have, like, the yen is still, it's still a bank holiday. Wednesday, when does it end? So yeah, tomorrow we're back to normal. Back to normal tomorrow for the yen. French bank holiday on Friday. Okay. Oh, nice, oh, nice. Hey. Gold is so... God, I don't know what it wants to do right here. I think we play out this continuation pattern though. I do. Look, 4 hours come down, didn't quite break this low. You know, we made a nice long bottom wick. We're flipping bullish now. I think we head up. I do. The US didn't get none of these buys, so US market opens, they're like, oh shoot, we're bullish, we're pushing up on golds, we got a nice pullback, so they get a lower entry, get in and gone. No, I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna go to the restroom real quick. I'll be back before NY open, I think. All right, 1 sec. All right, didn't really move much, of course. Of course. All right, market open. Two dojis, two indecisive candles back to back off of a support. trying to do, gold? What we trying to do, man? See if we break this last 30-minute high. Pushing, we're pushing. We're pushing. Just about broke that high. Go on, give us more of a move up. That's it. That's all you got for us. Yeah, this bullish candle wasn't enough for me to say let's get in. If I had a nice strong candle body, bearish, bullish one, nice movement though, real nice movement, real nice. Push up, back to the highs. What's happening, Rosie? What's up? up? What's up? Buyers looking good. Buyers were looking good. Buyers looking good. Let's see what Nas is doing. Ooh. EXY coming back down some. No, if the Nas is going up, gold is gonna go up, right? You know how that goes. You know how that goes. We have no I'm in my cell. Ooh. Got in a bit early, Haroon, slightly early. But that's it. Is it more like you have a price but there's an area that you want to take yourselves? It's like a zone. Sneaked one in. Hey man, follow the plan, follow the plan. If that's what your strategy told you to do, then go ahead, man. Looks good though, if you could squeeze a little 50-60 pips out of it. $99 to 01. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. Did you I forgot to tell you, you know, that funded elite, that prop firm, you need to add the scalping add-on. Did you see that part? I saw the message. I can't remember what I was doing, but I responded quickly, but I forgot to follow up with that. Mickey, what news did you say caused the push last night in Asian? I will show you. Where is it at? Right here. Right here. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Trump Project Freedom paused for a short period of time to see whether or not the agreement can be finalized. So yeah, he's taken a break from the so-called war. Project Freedom shipping movement through the Strait while the blockade stays in full effect. So all to do with the Strait and pausing whatever they're doing on it. So that's what that was. And you can see when that happened. Sorry, I just took it off. It's in the Asian session channel in the Discord. I put that up this morning. Put that up. I should have put it in the Discord last night, to be fair. But yeah, you know, that was very bullish for gold, as you can see, because this is the candle we started to push up on. Very bullish. Is there Alright, 18 minutes to this. 1 hour candle closes. Oof. Telling me this 1 hour structure doesn't look bullish? What? What? I was looking crazy bullish. Get out for now. Made a few pips. Yeah, gold is, it's definitely not doing much, is it? I mean, you look at the lower time frames anyway. Yeah, gold is really chilling. It is really chilling. Surprised you're still in. Surprised you held this long. So you hate that? You get out and then price continues in your direction? It's the worst. It's the worst. Looking at the 5 minute, but yeah, this ain't really doing shit. Nas pushes up. Ooh, Nas engulfing. What do you reckon? Nas to the moon? Look at this 4 hour over here. Barely a body. Man, I think if this thing flips bullish and pushes up in the last 10 minutes, I think it's going to be a big push. I think we get a big push. Let's see. We're going up. I'll be going up, up, up. Your IC market H4 might also give a continuation pattern just like a Wanda. I think so. It's looking like that, isn't it? If it doesn't flip and drive up, then I think it does close weak bearish. Let's think about that. Let's think about that. Thanks. Okay, cool. Sorted. Oh, Haroon, did it come to your entry perfectly right there? That was your trade right there, man. That was your trade right there. Look at that. What did you say? 47, 4701, 4700? But that just dropped to 49, 4694. Quick 70 pips. Yo, gold is the worst. Gold is the worst. No, bless me. Bless me. Now 4700 is a psychological level, so we'll expect a little bit of a reaction there. It's a bit of a little action. Well, this daily candle's kind of big, you know. Actually, looking at it, how big is this daily candle already? Ooh. 1,700 pips. Real nice. Real nice, real nice. Like this candle that gold is creating now. This is how I wanted like the last 30 minutes to close. Not all the way up like this to fill a lot of the range, but I did want gold to close with a nice strong body at least. Maybe engulf this candle and then take buys on the next candle to come up to the highs. That's kind of what I was looking for. Just a bit of structure. To keep going up, but it didn't want to give me that. It wanted to do it right before the 1 hour candle ends. Blah blah blah. Gold is the worst. Gold is the worst. The worst is. Who's that? Okay, I'm back. What's happening? Good push up, good push. Now it goes. Last 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes? Well, last 5 now. Not much, just getting entries. Nice. Buy entries or sell entries? What are you looking for? You're looking at buys, actually. I know you're looking for buys. Yeah, buys. Lower time frame trading is crazy, but good. Well done to everyone who took the buys up and your reasons for buys. Well done to everyone who took the sells down, got in, got out, got some pips. 1 minute and 3 minute order blocks. Oof, wow, that's very low time frames. But look, guys, look how Nas leads the way. Nas started pushing up. We've got this beautiful engulfing here on Nas, and then gold started pushing up too. Mad. Nas leading the way. So TP for today, if gold can break above 47.25, I think we get to, well, 47.44, and then next stop is 48.50 area, which, you know, has been holding for a couple of weeks. I think we can get there. hopefully, if Iran signed this agreement, which it doesn't look like they really want to, but if they do, with maybe some amendments, we're back on track for gold, for a bullish gold, and some more buys up. Dessert. All right, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, this candle did not close well. This indecision right here. Nobody. Hardly anybody. Alright, guys. Alright, so rest of the session, I'm looking for this 4-hour candle to make a bottom wick. Make a bottom wick, break the high, break above this resistance to the left, and keep pushing. That's it. That's it. Simple things. Simple things. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for, honestly. But what a session, man. What a session. You know, we had some people take the buys. I mean, some people take the sells. Hopefully some of you guys took the buys, you know. I'm actually looking at NAS buys. If NAS can, a lot of movement already happened for the day. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling. That's how I'm feeling too, honestly. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for on gold. Maybe more buys. Hopefully it doesn't play around before it does that. But for NAS, I'm actually thinking if we break this high, I might take some buys on NAS up here to about 30 pips. Little something like this. Depending on how much it drops, maybe. Oh, that's not even a 1-to-1. Yeah, let me see how far back this drops, but maybe even further up, you know. The NAS has just been on a roll. It's on a roll. It's It's been on a roll. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end it here. You know, we got things to do today. But yeah. Good luck on your trades today. Remember, follow your analysis, no one else's. Before I go, shout to Carl for catching that banger. Oh man. Carl has been locked in, and I love that for him. I love that. Carl has been locked in. He's found a strategy that I think he understands or is getting the hang of, something that makes sense. And yeah, man, things are going well. So yeah, we're gonna keep building on that. Love to see it in the community. Good shit, man. But yeah, guys, peace out. I will see you guys tomorrow. What day is tomorrow? Tomorrow's Thursday, so we've got another chill day tomorrow. Good, lovely. I'm gonna start a little bit earlier. I think I'm gonna try to start a bit earlier, maybe like 12:30, something like that. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, guys, peace out, and have a good trading day. Peace.